Hi guys and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the ringtone and the notification sound on Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here I have a Galaxy Watch 8, but it's the same also for the other Samsung Galaxy watches. And if you want to change the ringtone or the notification sound on this watch, it is very easy. For that, just go to all apps and here tap on settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. And here scroll down again and go here where you see ringtone. Tap to go inside, and from here just choose your favorite ringtone, for example this one. And also if you want to change the ringtone volume, you can do it. You can make it louder like this. And now go back, and that's all. Here we have the new ringtone. Also from here you can change the notification sound. Just choose your favorite one. For the example, I will choose this one. And again, you can change also the volume for the notification sound. So it is very easy, you can do it without any problem. I hope this video also helps you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.